Now, selling pet portraits on the biggest marketplace in the world called Etsy is big, big business, guys. But guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great, great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. And if you look at my screen, pet portraits are simply images of pets that have been created by the seller. So let's say you send a picture of your pet to the seller, they will transform that photo into a beautiful work of art, just like some of these fantastic listings you see in front of me. For example, this beautiful set of 4 digital download prints make approximately $5,449 per month, and it really is easy to do. Or this painted style that is making currently over $2,880 per month. And these are actually quite easy to create, guys. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to create these two styles using a fantastic platform called Kittl. So remember to stay right to the end. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to show you a quick demo of how to create one of these fantastic bathroom pet portraits. This one in particular with a toilet tissue on the dog's head. I'm going to show you how this is done in literally seconds using Kittl. So check this out. Okay, guys, I'm on Kittl, my go-to design, AI, and editing platform, which is absolutely phenomenal. I've got 25% off all the plans. Make sure you use my promo code, and you can also try it out for free. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, now what happens is a customer will send a picture of their pets, right, to you. Now, once they send it to you, this is the process that you do. And remember, I want to show you these two ways of doing these different types of pet portraits using fantastic features that Kittl has. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell, and in less than 20 minutes I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. So the first way is, let's say you get a picture of the dog, right? There you go. I'm going to upload the image. So the customer sent you the picture of the dog, you've uploaded it here. Now, all you need to do is for one of the styles, and remember the painted style is I'm going to show you that first, is you go to style at the bottom and you click that. Now, what's really cool about style, you've got lots of styles that you can literally transform that design or that photo, should I say, into. So if we go, say, for example, to artistic, you can see there's so many different styles that I can transform it into. Now, obviously, I want to transform it into a style that is current, is trending, it's working, is selling well. So obviously, I would look for something that I believe would convert and make those sales for me. So I'm going to go with something that works particularly well, which is that painted style. So I'm going to click on the painted style here, and then the styles uploaded in the box. So now all I need to do is click generate. What it's going to do is going to transform, hopefully, the photo that I've uploaded from the customer into the style. So check this out. And what's really cool about this is that literally Kittl also tells you how many tokens you use along the way. So that's a pro tip. Now, it should take about less than a minute. And right now we're on 32 seconds, which is fantastic. It's using a design model called Nano Banana Pro because obviously it has different AI design models in there. And there you go. It's literally transformed it into this beautiful painted style, which you can see right now in front of me. Look at that. I mean, that is absolutely gorgeous. And it looks like it's in a painted style. And how long did it take? It literally took less than a minute. Okay. So, and then all you need to do once you've got the style done, you just download it and then you send it to the customer, which is super easy. Now, the format is exactly how you'd want it. You can obviously upscale it, make sure that the quality is fantastic, and you can do all of this in Kittl anyway. So when I click on it and I go to export, just as an example, you can make sure the sizing is correct. You can make sure the DPI is good, and you can make sure it's in the right format. Everything that you need is there, and you can optimize the quality, then export it. So, with regards to not only creation of the design, but in terms of sending to the customer the right format, Kittl does everything. So, now I'm going to show you the second way. If you remember that pet portrait with the toilet tissue roll on the head, I'm going to create that now, which is a little bit more complicated, but honestly, Kittl makes it look so easy. So check this out. Okay, so I'm gonna go with uploading the image again. Okay, I'm gonna upload that same image, and then I have a prompt which I've just written up. Now remember, you can just go back to the video where you can see exactly how that black and white bathroom pet portrait with the toilet tissue on the head looks like, because I'm going to recreate this now. So I've uploaded the image and I've just typed in, well, I've just pasted the type in. I typed it out already, and it says create a pet portrait using this image of a dog. The portrait should be in black and white, because remember, I want to make it as close to the example that's selling really well as possible. It should be in black and white, showing the dog sitting on a chair, facing the camera with a plain background and a toilet roll on the head. Now, just so you know, this digital product niche is called personalization or custom. And this is where you literally transform a photo from a customer into something like this. Now, the personalization niche is a really good niche to get into. And I actually teach this in my academy, where literally people buy emotion. So people love to have personalized paintings of couples, of their pets, of their wedding venue, of their loved ones. And it really is a great gift that people can sort of give to their loved ones. So it's a really good niche to get into. Like I said, if you want to learn more about it, do check out my links below for the academy. Now, I've written the prompt. So basically, a prompt is a string of words just to explain how I want that photo to be changed or transformed using AI. Okay. So now I'm going to go to generate. And again, see, it tells me how many tokens I'm going to use. So that's really good. So at least you can keep track, and then click generate. Okay. Now it's generating. And also it gives me an idea of how long it's going to take to create the image, which is going to come up with now. It says 40 seconds, 41. It's about a minute in total, which is just super fast, guys. Okay. So this is the image that's created, guys. You can see it's pretty good. Not exactly how I want it, but I'm going to show you a couple of things to get it just right. So check this out. So what I need to do is, first of all, I need to remove something, which is the chair. I don't really want the chair there. So I'm going to go to this really good, cool tool. It's called Edit Area here. So I'm going to click Edit Area. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the size of the brush, and I'm going to just brush away, highlight, should I say, the chair, because I'm going to remove it, but I'm just indicating that this is what I want removed. Okay. So I just need to do that very quickly. And then I'm going to go back in the box and I'm going to say, remove the chair highlighted, make the dog much closer looking into the camera and only showing neck up, and have the background much lighter. Okay. So this is a really cool feature where I can remove, a part of the background just by highlighting it, right? It's a really cool feature that Kittl has. And then now I'm going to go to edit image. And again, it tells me how many tokens I'm using, which is fantastic. And it's telling me that's using Nano Banana 2 as an AI model. So let's see what it does now. Okay, now it's generating. Okay, so guys, can you see this? Look at this. Really fantastic, right? You can see that it's zoomed in. It's removed the chair, exactly what I wanted. Got a toilet tissue on the head, and it's got a dog looking into the camera. And this is exactly like one of the images that I've shown you that are selling fantastically well using this great platform called Kittl. Like I said, do check out the link below. I've got 25% off all the plans. Make sure you use my promo code. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI-made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.